Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to do the fingerprint unlock speed test in the OnePlus Nord device. And what are the problems with the fingerprint unlocking? Yes, so few of the users, they are actually messaging in the OnePlus Nord 2 that the fingerprint unlock was not working properly. As you can see, friends, this is a message I'm getting here. So there's some problem with the fingerprint sensor delay, and when I pick up the phone while screen is off, it is not showing fast, as you can see. So this is what some of the users did complain, and they did comment under my videos on the OnePlus Nord 2. So let's see what is happening with the OnePlus Nord 2 in terms of the fingerprint scanner. Is it working fast or not? So there are two different scenarios. Number one scenario is while using the always on display, as you can see, friends, right now. So whenever you try to use the always on display, and even the fingerprint icon will be lit up in the bottom, as you can see, whenever you touch the screen in this way. This is a one type of scenario. Now let me try to unlock the screen while using this fingerprint. Sometimes it doesn't recognize properly. Yes, even I did experience this kind of problems with the OnePlus Nord 2 in my experience. Sometimes it used to not recognize properly, but most of the time it used to recognize. I did not face those kind of issues, not recognizing much. So in case if you want to display the fingerprint icon on the lock screen when the phone is locked, so you need to enable the always on display. So once you enable the ambient display, as you can see, so then try to click the option which is called the fingerprint icon. So once you click that, try to click on the always on display. So this option can be off or on, doesn't matter, no problem. So right now, as you can see, friends, right now I did keep the phone in the pot on the table, and right now I'm trying to touch on the screen, and the fingerprint icon also lit up, as you can see exactly. So whenever even if I try to pick up the phone as well, I'll always on display will be enabled, and in this way I'll be able to unlock much faster. But right now in this experience, I did not face any kind of issues. So I'm trying to demonstrate live in front of the camera only. Let me try to pick up the phone. As you can see, friends, I'm trying to do multiple times. So just try in your OnePlus Nord 2 as well. Are you facing this kind of issues or not in terms of recognizing a fingerprint scanner? As you can see. So right now I did not have any kind of issues in terms of recognizing fingerprint scanner. No problems. As you can, multiple times I'm trying to do in front of the camera. But still, so in case if you are feeling this kind of issues in terms of fingerprint scan, let me know in the comment section below. So let's see how many users are actually facing this kind of fingerprints delay in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until next video for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, check the playlist for more details of the OnePlus Nord 2 as well. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.